Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the Strava Heatmap feature to find the most popular routes in your area. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Strava application on your device. Once the app loads up, you'll see the main screen with several options at the bottom of your screen. Now at the bottom of the screen, click on Record. This takes you to the map view where you can start tracking activities, but more importantly for this tutorial, this is where you can access the heat map layers that show you all the popular running and cycling routes in your area. Once you're on the map screen, look over to the right side where you'll notice a layer icon. It typically looks like stacked sheets or overlapping squares. Go ahead and click on this layer icon to reveal the available map options. This is your gateway to customizing what information displays on your map. After clicking the layer icon, you'll now see an option labeled Heat Maps. This is the feature that visualizes activity data from Strava users worldwide, showing you which routes are most frequently used. It's incredibly useful for discovering new paths or finding the safest, most popular areas to run or ride in unfamiliar locations. Now you'll see several heat map options you can choose from, including global, weekly, night, or personal. Each of these filters shows different activity patterns. Global shows all recorded activities over time, weekly displays recent activity from the past week, night highlights routes used during nighttime hours, and personal shows only your own activity history on the map. For this example, let's click on Global. This gives you the broadest view of activity patterns and is perfect for finding the most established and popular routes in any area. Once you select it, give it a moment to load the heat map data onto your map. Now you can notice that some routes on the map get darker or brighter with intense colors overlaying certain paths. This visual change is the key to understanding the heat map. On Strava heat maps, darker or brighter lines usually mean more activity frequency on that route. When you see dark, bright, or intense color, it means many people have recorded activities there. These are typically the safest, most scenic, or most convenient routes in your area. If you see faint or lighter color, that indicates fewer activities have been recorded on those paths. And when you see no color at all, it means there's little or no recorded activity on that particular route. This heat map feature is fantastic for planning new routes, especially when you're traveling or exploring a new neighborhood, because it shows you where other athletes prefer to run or ride. And that's it. You've successfully activated the Strava heat map and can now use it to discover popular routes wherever you go. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.